This screencast will show you how to install guided access onto an iPad so that map assessments can be taken on student iPads. Turn your iPad to landscape and exit out of all apps. Open the iPad settings. Choose General and select Accessibility and scroll down to Guided Access. It needs to be turned on and we need to set a passcode. We will all be using 2015. It's important that you use this passcode. If you choose a different one and forget it, you will be locked out of your device and it will need to be wiped before you can use it again. You will need to type 2015 in twice. Next, check restrictions to make sure that they're turned off. Still in Settings, scroll down to Safari and turn off the block pop-ups. Exit Settings. Go into Safari and type in https://test.map.nwea.org. When this pops up, tap on Allow. To activate guided access for this site, you will need to triple-click the Home button. This means that you will need to press it 3 times very quickly. Guided access is now started. You will need to draw boxes around 2 areas of the screen that need to be blocked during testing. The refresh button cannot be covered. Draw the boxes with your finger in the area shown here. If you have difficulty drawing the box in the area, you can draw it down here, tap on it, and drag it to the second area that needs to be covered. You can move the boxes, you can expand them, you can drag them. And if you really don't like your box, you can X out of it completely and start over. What is important here is that you do not cover the refresh button. Now go down to the hardware button at the bottom and click on Options. Turn off the motion. This will keep your screen from moving during testing and putting it into portrait. Now your teacher should be walking around the room making sure that your boxes cover the appropriate area and do not cover the refresh or any other important area of the screen. Once your teacher has checked to make sure that your boxes are okay, you should click End, tap on End, and exit the session. When you are ready to test later in the day or week, you will just need to close out all your apps, turn your screen to landscape, and go to Safari. Typing in the HTTPS address, allowing pop-ups, and triple-click your screen. Now you are ready to join the test session. Your teacher will give you your test session name and password, and you can begin testing.